Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Clippers Plains. Our phone number is 07384811382, and today we have a 2013 Hyundai Veloster. Stock reference number 4814. This shape runs from the 9th month 2013 through to the 7th month 2016. It has a 1.6 litre G4 FD petrol engine and is backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4 FD 1.6 litre full-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door 1 small dent, left rear door 1 small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, non-power mirror type, power fold mirror type. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console, lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.